Alright, this is Networking 103 and this is Packet Tracer. I'm going to be using this program to make a repository for my Packet Tracer and Cisco experience. And this is the first one, 112. So in this Packet Tracer, which is called Traffic Flow in an Enterprise Network, they want you to first make 3 generic PCs. And this over here is my cheat sheet. Basically it takes out all the stuff in the directions that are extraneous. So let's go ahead and get some generic PCs. 1, 2, 3. Next it wants us to get a switch, 2950, 24. You go, and to get to the PCs you go to end devices. Now you go to switches, 2950, 24, stick it over here. Next it wants us to connect with the switch through with copper straight through cables. You go to connections, copper straight through, it says down here. PC1, fast Ethernet, 1, 2, and so on. Alright, now that we've done that, I want to go ahead and configure IP address and subnet, mask, and gateway for each of the PCs. So we go to config, or sorry, desktop, IP configuration, IP address, let's see what it was for these. 1 and 2.168.1.10, and it gives us the subnet mask automatically. It says class 3 subnet, so it gives us the class 3 subnet address. Default gateway 192.168.1.1, and we don't need to do DNS server. So we've configured IP address and subnet and gateway for PC1, or PC0 as it lists in the directions, but it came out as PC1, so that's alright. Let's go ahead and do that for this. Same thing for this one. It's probably .1.2 for the IP address. Okay. .11, right. 192.168.1.11. Subnet mask, default gateway, same as the other one, right? And let's do 3, which is probably 12. They're making it easy for us, putting them in sequence. 68.1.1. Let's make sure that is 12. It is. Alright, now it wants us to simulate with packets ARP and ICMP. So now that we've done that, I want to go to simulation and edit filters. Let's see. Show none, then select ARP and ICMP. Okay, so those are the only ones that are going to show. Now we want to, I believe, create a simple PDU. Oh, probably not that then, I guess. Alright, let me just push play. Okay, there we go. See, the ICMP is purple. ARP is green. Yeah, so it just wants us to do that for these PCs. And then it wants us to go into PC1 and do a little ARP command in the command prompt. I'll do that in a second. Make sure it doesn't need us to do anything else with that. Alright, so we'll just quit doing that. Go to real time, PC1, command prompt, perp -a. It wants us to do that. I suppose it wants us to do that for the rest of them. Perp -a. Perp -a. And it says the ARP table is empty. So, check results. Okay. Maybe it has to be named. You have to name it PC0. Let's just rename it then. One 192.168.1.10 255.255.255.0. Okay, everything should be correct there. Okay, so the names were just wrong on the computers, which I guess would be a problem if you had a structured environment for a network. You'd want to make sure that you had the right names for the right computers. I'm going to put that one on Packet Tracer though. So that was Packet Tracer 112. Thank you.